Today I will show you how to install and use Audacity on Mac. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. The first thing you need to do is visit the Audacity webpage, and that's www.audacityteam.org. You can also check in the description below to find the link. And once you're on there, this is what you're going to see. Once you click on download Audacity, it's going to automatically find your operating system and give you the right application to download for that. As soon as it's done downloading, you see here it says Audacity installer. We're going to install it, and we're going to click on continue. We're going to install the software. Just like that, we have Audacity on our Mac computer. Once you open this, it says something went wrong, try logging in. You're going to be required to log in into your account to access some features on the software. Here it says Muse Hub needs permission to install content, so you're going to enable that. You practically need Muse Hub to do a lot of things, to install plugins and do a lot of things with Audacity. And that's how you install and use Audacity on your Mac OS. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. On to the next one. See ya.